Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add image left or image right to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com and let's log into our account. Let's get our username and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's go full screen. So to work on your website, from dashboard you want to click on the website button. And then here's the editing tools. You have post, pages, settings. Post and pages are identical, so whether we're making a page or a post, the editing tools work identically the same. We're going to make a new post today, so let's click on posts. And we're going to create a new post, but real quick, let's just tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website that we've been working on. And we're going to do a blog post, so let's click on our blog. This is the featured image here. This is our last post, benefits of having a website. So our new post is going to show up right here. Let's go back to Connect. So we clicked on website, we clicked on post. Now let's go ahead and create the new post. We'll click on create new. And let's enter a title. Hiking and cows. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down here. And I already have some words that I want to use. So let me go ahead and just grab those real quick. I'm going to paste those in right here. So we have today's hike brought us a little bit of fog and some awesome cow pictures. Let's go ahead and go italic, bold. We'll go 14 point, center. And then let's just bring our cursor down, maybe right there. And then now we're going to insert image left or image right for the post templates. If we were doing a page template, it would be identical. It'd say page templates, image left, image right. So let's do image left. And we're going to go ahead and insert an image right here. So let's go ahead and click on the insert edit image icon. Search folder. We'll go to my images. I'm going to choose this one right here. Click OK. And then these preset words, we're going to back these out. So let's just go back out. And Roger the cow in the fog. Okay. So let's go ahead and go bold. Let's go 14 points. So there it is. There's image left. Let's put our cursor down here. And now we're going to do insert image right. And again, click on the image, insert edit image icon, search folder, my images. This time we're going to use this picture of Roger the cow. Click OK. And you just back up these preset words. Roger the cow. Okay. And we're going to highlight that. Let's go bold. Go 14 point. And this can be a little bit tricky. We're going to use the space bar to space these words over. And what I like to do is I just like to go beyond it just a little bit and then just back it up. Let's back it up. About there should be right. So let's go one more. We're going to go put our cursor down here now. And let's go ahead and do image left again. One more picture. Insert edit image icon. Search folder, and my images, and we're going to pick this picture here. Click use, okay, and just back this up. Hiking up to the fog. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and go bold. We'll go 14 point. And there it is. We have our image left, image right, image left. Let's go ahead and create our post. Oh, before we do that, let's do one more thing. Let's go ahead and add a featured image. So let's go up here and go choose. Go to my images. And let's use this one here. We can use that. So now we have a featured image on the post as well. So now, let's go ahead and go down here. We're going to click create. And there it is, hiking and cows. So we just created the post. So now let's go to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. So here's our blog page. The post is going to appear right here. So let's do a hard reset. We're going to do Control F5. And there it is. There's our new post, Hiking and Cows. So let's go ahead and check it out. Click on the Read More. There's Roger the Cow in the Fog, Roger the Cow. This needs to back up a little bit more. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. Go to the Edit button here on Hiking and Cows. Let's go down and edit our post. So we're going to just go right here. And we're going to back this up a little bit more. So that ought to be pretty good right there. Let's click Update. So let's go back to the AAA Outdoor Scenes website, and we'll do a hard reset again. Control F5, and there it is. We fixed it. So we have Roger the Cow in the Fog, Roger the Cow, and Hiking up to the Fog. And it comes with our featured image, and then if we click on Blog, then that shows the blog post there, and then there's our other blog posts that we've created. Okay, so let's go back to Connect, and let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add image left or image right to your website with Dataczar Connect.